basic topic which is half adder and full adder. So let me give you a quick introduction of half adder and full adder. Half adder is something in which we give two one-bit binary digits which is 0 and 1 and which gives us result which is sum and carry. And in full adder we give three inputs, that is in which we have 7 combinations, 8 combinations of binary digits, and with which we get output of sum and carry both. Okay, then let me show you the whiteboard.
यस मैम, थोड़ा हो चुका है इसमें कुछ वही कैप्शन वैप्शन मतलब वो हैशटैग डाल दीजिए मैम। फर्स्ट ईयर
ग्रुप में नहीं भेजा
कर शाम तक कर दूंगा, तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दो बोल
मेरा नाम सुनील।
तुम इसमें साइन करके
सुनील
sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, and in binary we write 2 as 1 0. Right? So sum is 1. No, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. Now we have to do K-map for the sum. So in the position of one position we have to write 1 and second position we have to write 1, and since we cannot do any grouping here, so we have to which is A, and 0 and 0 is B bar. And for this one, A bar and B. 1, 2, 3. Here. Again the same. One of 1 is A and one of 1 is B. Right? Then we have so this is the circuit diagram for this half adder. We have connected with this first AND gate and a NOR gate. Hope you all understand the half adder concept.
सर बोले सिर्फ के मैम
I'm going to teach you full adder. Okay. So in full adder we take 3 inputs, that is A, B, C by codes of these we have written. Then when we add 0 plus 0 0 is 0 and carry is also 0. 0 plus 1 this is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2 and we write 2 as 1 0. So carry 1 and this 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Same. 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 and we write 3 as 1 1. So this is 1 1. Okay. Now we do the K-map for this, and where we have a higher input we will write this in K-map. Okay. So in one position we write 1 in 4 7. So individual grouping is can only be done, and we will now write the mean term for this. This is 0 to 0 is A bar for this one, group 1. And for this 0 to 0 is B bar and 1 to 1 is C in. Now for this one 0 to 0 is A bar, 1 to is C in bar. Again for this 1 to 1 is A, 0 to 0 is B bar and 0 to 0 is C in bar. C in bar. Then again for this 1 to 1 A, 1 to 1 B and 1 to 1 C. Now we will do the K-map for carry. So in the grouping rule is we cannot there is in a group there must be one where we can which is not sharing to other. So in both the group there is one which is not sharing. So again we will write the mean term for this. Or the
Make a pair of that tree also.
Single
Single one. Make a pair. नीचे वाला one.
pair में is B and 1 to 1 is C in plus this is our group 2. 1 to 1 is A and for these both 0 to 1 cancel out and 1 to 1 is C in. Now for the group 3 1 to 1 is A and 0 to 1 is B and C in carry out cancel out. So now we will do the circuit diagram for full adder.
फोटो भी खींच लेना लिखते हुए
So for full adder, and I think you know all the circuit diagram, how to make this circuit diagram. So you can ask any doubt if you have in full adder or in more topics. No?